Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the Boat Rockerz 255 Pro Plus wireless earphones. So guys, let's begin. So as you guys can see here up is the Boat branding. This is I have purchased from the Amazon Great Indian Sale, and I got this for $8.99, which is a pretty great deal for this earphones, the wireless neckband. So here are some features: the Boat signature sound, passive noise cancellation, and you get to see the USB Type C for the charging. You can connect two devices simultaneously, and you get to see the 10 drivers and the magnetic lock and the music playback up to 40 hours they are saying. So let's just see to it. And the Bluetooth version is 5.0, IPX7, sweat and water resistant, fast charging. We get to see like 10 minutes is equal to 10 hours of charge. So yes, which is great, over voltage protection and everything. So let's just unbox this. I had already unboxed and using this from last 2 days. So let's just see to it the box contents here. This is the earphone. Unboxed these as I told you. So first of all, removing this is the neckband, and the quality here is not that great. It's good. This is the magnet we get to see here, and here is the Boat branding, and we get to see this up here to fit properly in your ears. And so these are the box content we get to see in. So this is the Boat Rockerz 255 Pro Plus, and talking about the buttons, these are the three buttons: the volume up button, the volume down button, and this is the power on button, and this is also the mic button. And to pair these earphones, just press and hold this middle one button, the Boat branding button, and now this will be in the pairing mode. As you can see, now this is in the pairing mode, and you can connect your Bluetooth. And as you guys can see, here is the USB Type C to charge the earphones. And talking about the charging time, it takes around 1.5 hours to fully charge the earphones. Talking about the audio quality, which is the important thing in the earphone, the audio quality is just great, and there's a little bit more bass. If you want to hear the bassy music, then it's just for you. The bass here is good. The treble here is a bit on the higher side, so the tunes you will hear a bit more. Otherwise, everything is just great at this price. The audio quality on the earphones is just great. You can definitely consider this earphones to buy. And okay, so guys, then talking about the battery backup on the earphones, on the box, and the company claims that it has the 40 hours of battery backup, and it really is. The battery backup of this is just great. I am using this from past 2 days, and still 70% battery is left on these earphones. So I just use them a whole day. So, and talking about the latency, if you want to watch some YouTube videos and hear some music, it's just great, but you cannot do gaming on these earphones. And I had bought this for $8.99 in the Amazon Great Indian Sale, but currently it is available for 1100 rupees. So you can just consider buying it if you are looking for the wireless neckband. So you can consider buying this. The audio quality is just great. So guys, that is it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and bye.